Al, I know it's always a good point in a kitchen renovation when you finally get to start installing the cabinets.
Yeah, it's a nice feeling. Get everything prepped and the cabinets start going in.
And why the base cabinets first? I see most cabinet guys are installing the overhead cabinets first, but what's the deal with that?
Basically, we're on a timeline, so we have to have a granite measure sooner. So we'll set all the base cabinets, get a granite measure, then we start working on uppers.
Yeah, it takes those guys a few days once they get their templates and everything in order to fabricate everything.
Oh yeah,
I guess that makes sense. That way you're not losing a day or two.
Yeah, we got to keep on a time limit.
Okay. Now, what about I notice here on the bottom you have a series of shims. What's the reason for raising all of the cabinets up?
Well, we raise the cabinets 3/4 of an inch because we're having a 3/4 inch wood floor.
Oh, I see.
The shims are to make sure the cabinets are perfectly level for the granite fabrication and install.
Okay, and that's so important when you're tying in a kitchen like this, because with the hardwood floor back here, you want to make sure that you bring everything, and you have to compensate for that. So that's why early decisions in a kitchen renovation are so important, to decide on exactly what kind of floor is being installed before you ever even install the cabinet. So what's your next step here? I guess finish installing all the base.
Yeah, finish all the base.